Changing the background. Click on Slide on the toolbar. Click on Change Background. Choose your color. You can choose a solid color, or you could choose a gradient color. You can also choose your own custom colors to select multiple colors as your background. If you'd like for your background to be an image instead, choose Image to select an image for your background. Click Upload or Browse, find your image and click Open. Now your background will have an image.